Okay, so this video is going to show you step 2. If I look at the instructions for this step, I'll see that there are 2 methods that I can use. The first of those methods is a little easier, and then the second method is the creative method. So we'll start with the easy method. What you're going to do is you're going to come up to your toolbar in your student copy on slide 2. So your student copy looks like this with the reminders, the link to the instructions, and then you have this blank side where you're building your bedroom. I'm going to switch over to my example slides just so that I'm not messing with the real template. So your blank side, to do the easy method, you're going to come up here to the toolbar and you'll see the word background. So go ahead and click on that. You're going to go ahead and go down to the pop-up option that says choose an image. You're going to go over to the very last button that says Google Images. Okay. And you're going to type into the Google search room backgrounds. Okay. This is what makes it super easy because they're going to be provided for you. The only things being is that you have to make sure you're not choosing a 3-dimensional room. So I don't want to choose anything that has side walls like this one here or this green one down here, this or this. Those would be bad choices. I want to choose just a flat wall with floors. I also want to make sure that the room I choose does not have anything in it. So it would not want a window. We don't want any furniture. We want nothing in the room except the wall and the floor. So this white one would be a good option. This purple one is what I'm going to choose because I like the purple color. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and click done. And there it is. That's my background, step 2, already finished. I have floor and I have wall. So the creative method we're going to do on this other blank slide. This is where you have a little more creativity because you get to pick your walls and floor. It starts out the exact same way as the easy method. Background, choose image. This time I'm going to type in whatever color I want my walls to be. I'm going to choose yellow, and wallpaper or background is a good search term. You want to make sure you choose something that is not super chaotic because you do want Miss Watts to be able to see what you're doing. So make sure you're not choosing things like these super busy prints, things where you can't see things. You want to choose something that's pretty basic but gives a little excitement. So I'm going to choose this tableclothy one. Okay, and done. It's going to fill in my slide with the background. Okay, it's kind of busy. Maybe I would choose something a little less, but this one's okay. The next step is to create the floor. So once I've done background, I'm going to use a different toolbar piece called images. I'm going to come up here to the insert image icon. And I'm going to click the search web feature. And now I'm going to search for an image of a type of flooring that I want. So I can do some sort of carpeting, I can do wood, I can do brick floors, tile floors, whatever you want to search for your floor. I think this would look really cute with some blue shag carpet maybe. Okay, you could type in brick floors. I kind of like this blue color. I like this one kind of here, I think will make me. Okay. So notice it's not the shape of a floor. So you're going to want to come down here, okay, size it and stretch it enough so it looks like it would fit as the flooring. So I'm going to lower it a little bit because your floors won't be that tall. Okay. There you go. You could even, if you want to be extra, you might want to see, and this might have to come later as something else. You might not be able to add it like this. We'll add it a different way. It's going to add baseboard molding, but I'm not going to do that in this step yet. We'll add that in a little bit. But wall and floor, and again, we did that background piece, and then we did the image button to find the flooring. So background for the walls, and then image to stretch that flooring across. So those are the 2 ways to do step number 2.